Hello everyone, so we're going to play werewolf. I play as a guardian wolf, so I can protect a player from being linked by the village. So here is my account, and those are many modes, but I play quick games. And we're waiting for the players, and that's the list of the roles. And it's starting. It's starting with night first. Yeah. I play as Guardian Wolf. Well, actually, the ending is very cute because let's see this video. I didn't kill the village, and I asked them to send hi to my subscribers here in YouTube. So they're saying hi. Hi, hi, hi. That's so funny, right? I know I lost, but I asked them to say hi and say bye to me. And the players gave me rose. And I die. Let's see. Wait for the 14 is count down from 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. That's funny. I know I lost. Okay, let's start the game. So as a werewolf, we've got a chance to kill randomly on the first night. So I asked the wolves here to check who's to check, and I tried to see the least who's playing. And then the wolves here checked 14, Fiji. We should kill Fiji because the skill of Fiji, in the first day, Fiji can shoot or can reveal the players. On the next day, they can choose. If the person choose reveal, then they can choose to shoot the day after. And Fiji die. Yeah, and then 16 say that 14 part of the village. 13, 9 is alpha werewolf. So it's possible that 13 role is here now. And then to try to claim as a flower child in day first. And yeah, we've got flower child. And one is Cupid because he says GL my chepe, CP. GL means good luck, my couple. So Cupid tried to sign the couple that, come on, we need to win and don't kill me as a Cupid. And I tried to manipulate villager by saying that 14 off. But 14 is on, I don't know why. 14 should have been off but now on. So it's crowded now. But the villagers still not see me as a werewolf, and they do not care with me. They don't suspect me as a werewolf. Because Sears said that 9 is alpha werewolf, so we need to vote 9. It's impossible if we don't vote 9. It's too suspicious. So we choose 9. But I use my skill. I protect 9. So 9 won't die. But the night after, 9 died because 9 was jailed by 11. And then the jailer skills, the person can jail a player, and he can shoot the player, and he can ask the player on the night, like, who are you, like being a detective. But jailer could be wrong. And then the night after, it's werewolf night. So wolves here asked, like, who to check. I don't know, because it's hard to find the right guy, because maybe his here is protected. So we need to try, and we kill randomly, and we kill jailer. So it's useless. And I tried to manipulate here by saying welcome back 14, the Fiji, because medium revive Fiji. Yeah, I just tried to manipulate. And then Fiji shot 13. 13 is seer, but why 14 shot 13? And 14 seems throwing. And guess what? Like 13 and 12 is a couple. they died. So if they are being coupled, if one of them died, the other will die too because they are coupled. It's easy. Lots of their love. Okay, I say that for enough again. I try to, join the discussion because I will think that they will think that I am good and I am in villager side. I just try to manipulate it. So yeah, just enjoy. On the second day, some villagers vote 15 for us villagers to vote 15, and 15 is Junior Werewolf. I can see the icon because I am in Werewolf side too. And 15 can tag a player. So if 15 die, the other player who is being tagged by Junior Werewolf will die too. That's the skill of Junior Werewolf. And 15 died, also 4. This is the third night, and this is I am throwing. I mean, I try to make a strategy by saying that don't kill, but unfortunately, on the next day, Seer checks 6, which 6 is dual Seer. Let's see the video. See that 16 says pew pew. 6 is Webet team. So 16 is gambler. Gambler can can choose a player and predict their role. Like, is it Webet team, villager team, or solo team, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, because 16 can guess if 6 is a werewolf. So of course, on this day, the third day, villager vote 6. I speed up here because, yeah, 6 will be voted by villager, so 6 will die. So I am the only guardian, I am the only wolf left. Means that villagers still believe on me until this day. On fourth night, I didn't kill everybody. I won't kill. I won't kill. I just try to make a new strategy. But this is because this is a quick game, so every role is like it's known by everybody. But I just want to try this strategy. But I don't know. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it. Let's see the discussion. This is very good because I am not being suspected until now. Let's see. 3 asked Bethmouth to reveal 7 or me, 8. And 16 asking like who's Loudmouth? And 7 said I'm Loudmouth, have it on 8. So Loudmouth, if Loudmouth die, the player can choose who is the player to be revealed. So I think villager will vote 7 to die, and they vote 7 on purpose just to reveal me whether or not I am the werewolf. Let's see the discussion. And I still try to manipulate. Because villagers still believe that I'm not the werewolf and 7 is Loudmouth, they voted Loudmouth. And 16 asked 7 to, come on, reveal 8, because we don't know what is my role until now. And they still believe that 10 would be bad, might bad. Let's see Loudmouth's skill. He can reveal a player if he die. And on this night, I didn't kill because villagers already know that I am the werewolf. So why should I kill? The ending is happy. 16 asks, why you didn't kill 8? I say I didn't kill for 3 times. I just love the village. Yeah, why? Because I record this to YouTube. I want to be back to my viewers. And I asked them to send hi to my subscribers. And then it happened. Hi, hello. Everyone say hi to me. And I asked them to say bye. So it happened. Like, yeah. And some players gave me flower, gave me rose. Yeah, because I am the last werewolves, so it's impossible for me to win. And yeah, I lose as a werewolf. But I am so happy to play this. So bye.